think it works great because like I've been installing all these products of yours for years. I want to point a detail that it makes a massive difference in the construction, especially for the installers who are installing these brackets. Today we are at the Fixfast facility where we are showing the SPIDI MAX product, where I had the pleasure to install on one of my sites recently. Why this product is different than most brackets in the construction industry is right now it's installed vertically. Most brackets can be installed vertically, but in this case you can turn this bracket horizontally. You store your rails and you're avoiding 1 day time missing of putting any adapters. As you can see here, you have the size of the brackets imprinted into the brackets. Now, why this makes a big difference? Many times when I'm on site, I'll be walking down the scaffold all the way to the pallet where the brackets are. And because it's been raining, all the boxes of the brackets have been mixed together. And if I forgot my tape measure up there on the scaffold, that means I need to go back all the way up to get a tape measure, come back down and find my right size of the bracket. With this imprinted the size of the brackets right here, you don't need to do that. You can literally see it every time what size of brackets you're picking up. As you can see, this bracket, I can literally hang on it and it will not bend the slightest. Construction is full of small details. Details most people never see, but the entire building depends on them. Behind every facade system, every panel, every clean line you see on a finishing building, there is structure holding it all together. And on a projects like St. John's School, every fixing, every bracket, every millimeters matter. On this project alone, using the system meant we were saving close to 2 days of installation time every single week. Not by rushing the job, but simply by removing unnecessary steps. In construction, that kind of improvement changes everything. Solutions like this don't happen by accident. They come from engineering who understand what actually happens on site and who design products that solve real problems for the people installing them. In construction, progress rarely comes from one big change. More often comes from improving the smallest details, the parts most people never see. Companies like Fixfast understand that. Through systems like the SPIDI MAX brackets, they continue to change traditional methods, simplify installations, saving time on site and support the people who build every day. Because real innovation in construction isn't just about building bigger, it's about building smarter. Using the Fixfast system, we streamlined the entire install, one bracket for both vertical and horizontal applications, saving up to a day and a half per 200 square meters of elevation. The same bracket works for both fixed and sliding points, backed by in-house technical schematic and full U-value calculations. I'm looking forward for future visits here and do a little bit more content with you because now we have a better understanding of the environment. We know more about the products you guys produce, and I know actually what I'm putting into the walls. Yep,
yeah, exactly, and that background knowledge and the relationship that we built now, we can help others, especially on the install side, to really push the knowledge of the fixings and the system.
I have been installing all these products of yours for years, and now that I've seen how it's been developed and done behind the scene, it just makes so much sense for me knowing more about what I'm actually putting into the wall.
Yep, and when you go to site next week, you'll be able to tell people how the fixing's actually made and what goes in behind it.
Yep, which will show about that on future videos.
Definitely.
Okay.
That's perfect.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You've been a gentleman and I enjoyed every minute of it.
No, that's great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If you want efficiency on your next project and ready to save time on site, speak to Fixfast.